This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, as you can see, guys, price also has continued to move higher. It's on the forex markets when the United States dollar has showed the decreasing in relation to other currency pairs. Well, here in fact we see the reaction and the impact of factors and events that we have discussed in our weekly research. We said that CFTC data finally has shown the increasing of the open interest on the gold market. It means that the investors start to put new money, not just the closing the short positions. And the number of the contracts on the futures on the gold market stands flat, but increasing only the net long position. But right now we see the increasing of the net long position accompanied by the growing of the open interest. The open interest shows the total number of the contracts that are opened right now on the market. And when it increases with growing of the net long position, it means that the investors open long positions, new long position, and it means that new money inflow on the gold market. Well, also guys, yesterday the SPDR fund reports on the extremely significant growth in the recent months in one trading session. So the storage of the gold in the SPDR fund has growth on approximately on the fifth tons a day. So that's really solid impact for just one trading session. And it tells us that in the short-term perspective, gold probably will hold the upward bullish momentum. And many analysts, today I have read the comments of the different analysts on the gold market, and many of them point that they expect to see the moderate bullish situation on the gold market with the upside potential approximately around 1365, 1370 area. We have discussed this area as well. We have mentioned it because 3065, 3070 area is an area of the yearly pivot point on the gold market that already have been tested once when the downward action has started. And that's again market could reach it in the medium-term perspective. But right now, if we'll take, and by the way, guys, as you know, the geopolitical tensions also stand around in the Iraq and the Ukraine. They still stand, and that is supports the gold market. At the same time, on the spot market, especially in China, you will see the $1 discount to the spot price on the European markets, on the London exchange, on the Chicago Board of Trade. So the spot market, spot prices in the China shows the $1 discount to the world price on the gold market, and this just points that the demand, individual demand, and the investors' demand on the spot gold in the greatest consumers on the Asian market stands really not very impressive, as we could say this. Anyway, in the short-term perspective, as market has hit some close targets that we have specified earlier, we could count on some bounce. So recall that our major riddle was whether the market will show retracement first and then continue move right to the 1618 extension of this ABC bottom pattern, or we will see the hitting of this target first and retracement second. And so you can see that currently we could count only on the second wave. So that is 1618 extension and agreement, guys. That is the 618 resistance on 1335 approximately area. That is also 127 ultimate target of this butterfly. So if you could count the extension to the upside of the whole butterfly swing, you will get the 127 right here. What is more interesting, guys, that monthly pivot point on the gold market for the July stands precisely in an area of level that we intend to use as the target of the possible retracement down. So we count on the possible retracement rate to the 1296.30 in even area, because that is disrespect confidence resistance. That is the 50% support of this nasty candle to the upside. That is also will be the monthly pivot point, and we know that odds suggest retesting of the significant areas that has been broken without any respect. So when the market shows that strong action, it usually returns right back down and retests these levels. That's why this area stands as the primary object of the possible retracement down if it will start. How it will start, it is difficult. It is different question. So if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that there's multiple possibilities for starting of the retracement. For example, market could form some sort of the hand shoulders here. And for us, in fact, it's not really big problem how it will start. Where market will start move right now to the downside, or it will show first reaching of the 1618 extension of this swing, and some shows a bit deeper action to the 1337 area or something of that sort. But here, guys, we should be ready for appearing of the reversal pattern. That should trigger the downward retracement to the 1295 area. That is what we should be ready for. That will be a retracement that we would like to see, but it could start differently. Maybe this butterfly will be sufficient to start action. In fact, guys, if market will return right back down inside of the consolidation, that will increase the chance of appearing some head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort, because in this case market probably will continue to the lower border of this consolidation first, and that will be in fact almost the half of the pattern will be in place if this will happen. So we already have the left wing, that could be the head. If market will return right back down to this area, that could become the completing of the head. Market could start to form right shoulder or something of that sort. Well, anyway, there are 2 points in the trading plan right now on the gold market. First is the waiting for the reversal pattern here, short-term reversal, maybe here or maybe on the hourly chart. Second, if retracement will start, the primary object of this retracement is 1295 area. That will be probably the major target that market could reach with this retracement.